So friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Hitachi Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. The next button is the temperature up, down button. Now, the more you press the temperature down button, the lower the temperature will be. The lower you press the temperature, the more cooling it will provide. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now, the more you press the temperature up button, the higher the temperature will be, and the AC will reduce its cooling. Its highest temperature is 32 degrees. If you only need cooling and want to reduce your electricity bill, use 26 degrees. This is also a very good temperature for our body. If you find 26 degrees too cooling, set your AC's temperature to 27 degrees. And if you find 26 degrees too hot, set your AC's temperature to 25 or 24. The next button is the fan speed. This is for the fan speed that blows air from the indoor unit. It operates in 6 speeds. Currently, the fan speed is in auto. Currently, the fan speed is in silent. Currently, the fan speed is in low. Currently, the fan speed is in medium. Currently, the fan speed is in high. Currently, the fan speed is in super high. You can control the fan speed as desired. If you need to cool the room quickly, set the fan speed to super high. The next button is mode. Pressing the mode button will display the mode. Currently, the mode is cool. Currently, the mode is dry. Currently, the mode is fan. Currently, the mode is auto. Now, I'll explain the modes in detail in very simple terms. The next mode is cool. In cool mode, all buttons on the AC remote will work, and the AC will cool in this mode. And in cool mode, the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry during the rainy season. Rainy season has a lot of humidity and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC will not cool. Only the indoor unit's fan will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you don't need AC cooling and you only want to use the AC's fan, then you can use fan mode. After that, press the mode button again and the auto mode will come on. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and will operate as per your requirement. The next button is good sleep. Pressing the good sleep button silences the AC. The sleep button is very useful. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. You won't have trouble sleeping due to excessive cold. You can also use it with a timing. You can set the timing from half an hour to 12 hours, so you can choose how long you want to use good sleep. For example, if I want to use good sleep for 5 hours, I will set the time to 5 hours, and good sleep will automatically be set to 5 hours. And if I want to cancel good sleep, I will have to press the power button twice, and good sleep will be cancelled. After that, the next button is powerful. Normally, when we turn on the AC, the compressor starts within 3 minutes. However, pressing the powerful button starts the compressor within 1 minute, and the indoor unit's fan speed also increases significantly. If you're coming into your room from outside and your room is very hot, and you need quick cooling, you can use the powerful button. This button cools the room very quickly. The next button is left-right. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the AC's cooling quickly throughout the room. Pressing this button will stop the swing wherever you want. Pressing this button will stop the swing. Pressing this button again will automatically restart the swing. The next button is frost wash. This Hitachi model doesn't have a frost wash function, but I'll explain this function in detail. After pressing the frost wash button, whenever you turn the AC off after using it, it will continue to run for 1 hour. The moisture in the indoor unit's coils will dry out, and the dust will be flushed out with water through the drain assembly. During this function, you cannot use the AC for 1 hour. The next button is up-down. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down modes. Using this swing will quickly spread the AC's cooling throughout the room. Pressing this button will stop the swing flap wherever you want it to stop. Pressing this button will automatically start the swing flap. The next button is timer on. You can set the timer by entering a timer from half an hour to 12 hours. The advantage of the timer is that if your AC is off, you can automatically turn it on by setting the timer on. For example, if I want my AC to automatically turn on after 1 hour, I will set the timer to 1 hour, and the timer will. The next button is timer off. You can set the time by entering a timer from half an hour to 12 hours. The advantage of timer off is that if your AC is on, you can set the timer to timer off and automatically turn it off at that time. For example, if I want my AC to automatically turn off after 7 hours, I will set the timer to 7 hours, and the timer off button will automatically be set to 7 hours. To cancel the timer, you must press the timer on button 13 times, cancelling the on and off timers. The next button is filter. If there is dust accumulated in the filter of your indoor unit, the light will turn on under the filter symbol on the indoor unit. And if you clean the filter and want to turn off the light, you can use this button to turn off the light. The next button is reset. If your AC remote is not working properly or the buttons are not working properly, then press the reset button and your AC remote will be reset and will start working in a completely new way. If you understood the information I provided, please like my video and subscribe to my channel.